My name is Vitalia.
Here we will have a dialogue about cause and effect. Let's go.
Siska, I was late to school today because of the traffic jam.
Yeah, a lot of roads were blocked due to the marathon event.
And I forgot my notes at home because I left in a hurry.
No worries, thanks to our group chat. I already shared the project the summer day.
That saved me. Honestly, I was stressed because I thought I'd fall behind.
You're fine. We've got everything under control thanks to teamwork.
Yes, thank you for attention.
Bye.